Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to make pants on Roblox. So firstly, going to your browser, type Roblox in the search panel, then left click on Roblox. Now left click on the Roblox website. After the website properly loads, go to the Create tab. Now click the documentation section, then avatar. Now from the clothing section on the left side, select classic clothing. Now scroll down until you find the shirts and pants template. From here you have to download the pants template. So right click on it, click on save image as, and save it anywhere on your PC. Now we have to edit the template file, then upload it as a pant on Roblox servers. So in order to edit, we will be using an online editing tool called a Photopea. So go to the Photopea website. Then click on open from computer and select the template file. After that, we have to edit this file. So in order to edit, firstly we will remove all the sections made in the image. So I'll just basically drag the rectangle tool across the sections and then use the brush tool to change the color. But firstly, you have to change the size of the brush. So go to the upper hand of the screen and change the size. Then just drag it in the screen to change its color. Do it for all the sections in the template. Now I will do it for the right leg section. Now the left leg. Keep in mind that you can use whatever color you prefer in this editing section. After the editing is done, I will add the logo of our channel in the torso section. So first I'll bring in the logo, then use the selection tool to position it accordingly. And now we are done. So now we will just export the file as a PNG or JPG. I'll do it as a JPG format. Then click on save. After that, open the file and let's bring it to desktop. Now we have to upload this edited template on the Roblox servers. So go to the dashboard of your creations tab, then select avatar items, and from filters select classical pants, then upload asset. Now click on upload, select the file you just edited and then open. Now in the name, it can be whatever you want. I'll just write classical pants, and description can be also whatever you prefer. So I'll just write tutorial pants. And after that, you have to spend 10 Robux to upload the pant in your inventory. And then you can either sell it or wear it yourselves. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.